certified. 2020 Nissan Armada SL 4WD Pearl White Tricoat Nissan certified pre-owned details, 7 years/100,000 miles limited warranty, coverage for engine, transmission, transfer case, and drivetrain 167-point inspection to qualify vehicle history report fix or repair items that don't pass or meet CPO standards. Special APR financing for well-qualified buyers. Lube/oil/filter change tires and brakes 50% or more. Full exterior/interior appearance reconditioning courtesy transportation. 24-hour roadside assistance SiriusXM trial subscription. 4WD.KVB fair market range high, 7,890 odometer is 54,938 miles below market average. 13/18 city/highway mpg.